Waves.
They're having to also do two or three moves before the ball is released, and it's going to be a very challenging game. Oh, and she come up with it again.
You can see there that tight zone. The City West Falcons are renowned for it. They take up a lot of space. Whenever you drive into it, you're smothered, but then they release off that and try and protect the space. You can see it now as they work down the court.
In the goal defence, Casey Price has been put out of play for a contact, which allows 2-on-1 in the circle. Emily Mannix has been put out of play with MJ to shoot. Peninsula Waves have hit the lead, so they've come out of that timeout very well, Eloise, which is good to see. Great competition.
It is very tight contest, and that's what you expect in this Devine VNL Grand Final, is two teams that have been pretty much at the top of the ladder for the whole season, the whole 18 rounds. It's down to this, and it's a battle of both ends.
It is certainly a defensive battle at the moment. I think that most grand finals are.